dragon. Wind howled through the night, ripped apart our dreams. Dust and chaff in the air were torn at the seams. Kansas, we harvest through the storm, sweat and blood, all our hearts torn. Machines humming, fields reborn. Cranes scattered like ghosts of sky, painted in dread. Hold tight to the land, our sweat and our bread. Eyes to the horizon, black clouds in our way. Lost our voices in the how, we still stay. Every gust that hits us brings us to our knees. But we rise up as one, strong like the trees. Kansas, we harvest through the storm, sweat and blood, all our hearts worn. Machines humming, fields reborn. Praise scattered like ghosts, God painted in dread. Hold tight to the land, our sweat and our bread. Off to the horizon, black clouds in our way. Lost our voices in the how, we still stay. Every gust that hits us brings us to our knees. But we rise up as one, strong like the trees. Golden waves, they bend and sway, blown by winds that roar and play. In the fields of Kansas plains, harvest comes with summer rains. Storm it hit just yesternight, tossed the grains, battered the light. Morning comes with sky so clear, farmers work without a fear. Wheat, it grows despite the storm, in the fields where hearts are warm. Gather now the golden grain, Kansas harvest through the pain. Tractors hum and blades they turn, in the sun the fields they earn. Dust it rises, fills the air, but we fight without despair. Hands are callous, hearts are strong, through the wind we march along. Seasons change, but still